reading a page that you really didn't finish before, I'm going to teach you how to make something really cool, a bookmark. This is how it works. I'm going to tuck the space in between the pages so I will easily remember where it was. To make this kind of bookmark, you need a square sheet of paper and some coloring pens, markers, or even watercolor or crayons. So, by the way, I also want to greet one of my supporters and fans, John Michael Barcelon, Mark Dan, and Jerick Santiago. So, first, I'm going to teach you how to make a square piece of paper if you don't have it. This is called origami paper. If you don't have origami paper, you can make one by using A4 paper. And in another video, I'm going to teach you how to make other squares and other different shapes of paper. So first, we're going to fold it in half to make a triangle, like this. Then the flaps we're going to fold to the top. Make sure it's aligned and let's make a crease to make it even more beautiful. So let's fold it back again after we folded the flaps. So after that, we're going to fold the tip going down to make a small pocket inside. Then you fold back the other flaps down and you're going to fold the flaps inside. It's a bit complicated, so all you have to do is be careful while doing it. Oh, please click like and subscribe at the end of the video so you'll get all my notifications. Please click the bell. And after this, you have your bookmark. Then you can color it. You can also give it to your parents, your friends, whoever you love, so they can use it. I'm going to color it super duper awesome to make it even more beautiful, just as I really want it. You can also put a message at the back so you can give it to your mom as a present or your dad. So I hope you liked it, because since you have your own bookmark, you will be ready to use it. I hope you guys liked the video. I love you, Bob. Thank you, Bob.